How does your body actually heal when you get goosebumps? It turns out goosebumps are more than just a chill reaction. They're linked to a surprising healing process deep inside your body. When you get goosebumps, tiny muscles at the base of your hair follicles contract. This is called piloerection. It's an ancient reflex inherited from our furry ancestors, originally meant to trap air and keep us warm. But it's not just about cold or fear. This contraction also stimulates blood flow and activates nerve endings, which can promote healing by increasing circulation to the skin. The muscle contraction that causes goosebumps also boosts circulation in the skin. More blood means more oxygen and essential nutrients reach the affected area. This helps your body repair small cuts, bruises, or irritation faster. It also brings immune cells that fight infection, making goosebumps a subtle but effective way your body supports healing. The nerves activated during goosebumps send signals that encourage skin cells to regenerate. These signals can reduce inflammation and speed up healing. It's as if your nervous system is jump-starting a repair process whenever you get those tiny bumps. So, goosebumps are like a natural boost for your skin's recovery. So next time you get goosebumps, remember they're not just a reaction to cold or fear. They actually help your body heal by increasing circulation and activating nerves that promote skin repair. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.